How to apply Image Blender.
We have to put image here.
And now it's time to expand the images. I think you gotta enjoy the background music boom. Now we gotta apply second images here. To expand second images, hey, it's time to Image Blender. Here we have to select the images and click on the linear. We gotta resize the image. We have to make perfect as you want. Hey friends of mine, your Image Blender is ready for you especially.